Check it out, it's the end of grain harvest. We're right there's the last little bit of standing grain, and then we're done with the hot grain for this year. Pulling it into the header to finish it out. Perfect size cut right to each side. There comes the end. And that's all of it. Raise the header up and pull the last stuff in. Now I just gotta drive it over there to go put it in a truck. There's one's just leaving the field now. We got another one that came back, so we're got enough room to unload the combine. The cart's putting in the stuff in the grain in the other truck right now. Getting close. Oh, and what perfect timing. Look at that. Grain tank is full. That just came out perfect. Now I'll go unload. Then I have to clean up the combine, and then I'm done running it until next year.